Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continued differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So xy values are given. Then we have to find d square y by dx square. Okay. First we have to find dy by dx value. So derivative of y value psi of t given by derivative of phi of t. Differentiation of psi of t, this is psi dash of t. Differentiation of phi of t, we get phi dash of t. But our target is d square y by dx square. So this is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx. Okay. This is going to be d by dx of the dy by dx value. We have psi dash of t by phi dash of t. Okay. So by using u by v formula, we have d by dx of u by v, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Okay. It will going to be u by v into phi dash t into differentiation of psi dash of t, psi double dash t minus psi dash into differentiation of phi dash t, phi double dash t. This whole divided by v square, phi dash t whole square. Now into differentiation of t with respect to x, we have dt by dx. Okay. So what is given? X value given, x is equal to pi of t given, dx by dt value, we get pi dash t. Differentiation of pi of t is pi dash t. Now dt by dx value, the reciprocal of pi dash t. Okay, the reciprocal of pi dash t is 1 by pi dash t. This going, it will going to be pi dash into psi double dash, psi dash, pi double dash by pi dash whole square into dt by dx value. So dt by dx is the reciprocal of dx by dt, right? 1 by pi dash. So now this will, it will going to be pi dash psi double dash, psi dash, pi double dash, this whole divided by pi dash whole square into pi dash, it will going to be pi dash whole cube. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. From the statement u of x, v of x are differentiable functions are given. U of x by v of x value is 7. U dash x by v dash x value p, as well as u of x by v of x whole dash is equal to q. This means derivative of u of x by v of x is equal to q given. We have to find p plus q by p minus q. Okay. What is given? U of x by v of x is equal to 7 given. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of u of x by v of x whole dash is equal, constant differentiation 0. U of x by v of x whole dash value given q. Okay, q is equal to 0. We got q value 0. Okay. Now let us take u of x by v of x is equal to 7. So let us do cross product. U of x is equal to 7 times of v of x. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of u of x, we get u dash x is equal to 7 constant. Differentiation of v of x is v dash x. Okay, one condition is given. U dash x is equal to 7 p times of v dash x. Okay, u dash x is equal to p times of v dash x. So u dash x, this place in we should write p times of v dash x is equal to 7 v dash x. Therefore both sides v dash x get cancelled. P value we got 7. So our target, what is required? P plus q by p minus q. So p value 7, q value 0, 7 plus 0 by 7 minus 0, it will going to be answer 1. 7 get cancelled. Let us go to the next problem. So what is given? Root under u by v plus root under v by u equal 6 given. Then we have to find du by dv. So differentiation of u with respect to v. This is our target. Okay. So let us do LCM. What is LCM? Root uv. So root u into root u plus root v into root v. It will going to be v equal to 6. Okay. Let us do cross product. U plus v equal to 6 times of root uv. But our target is du by dv. Okay, squaring on both sides. Now squaring on both sides. U plus v whole square is equal. This it will going to be 36 into uv. Okay, we have a plus b whole square formula. U square plus v square plus 2uv equal to 36 uv. Okay, u square plus v square 2uv bring the right side. 36 uv minus 2 uv, it will going to be 34 uv. Okay, what we get? U square plus v square is equal to 34 uv. Now differentiation with respect to v on both sides. So differentiation of u square with respect to v, d by dv of u square, d by dv of v square, 34 constant, d by dv of uv. Okay, so differentiation of u square 2u, but differentiation of u with respect to v into du by dv, du by dv. Differentiation of v square is 2v. Differentiation of v with respect to v, it will going to be 1. 34 times of uv formula, u into dv by dv plus v into du by dv. Okay, now it will going to be 2u du by dv plus 2v equal to 34 multiplied to all, 34u dv get cancelled, 34v du by dv. But our target is du by dv. Okay, we collect du by dv terms. Okay, this is bring the left side, 2v bring the right side, 2u into du by dv minus 34v du by dv equal to 34u minus 2v. Okay, in this one du by dv take out common, du by dv. Okay, as well as 2 times of du by dv take out common. This is u minus 17v equal to, in this 2 take out common, 17u minus v. Both side 2 get cancelled. Therefore du by dv it will going to be 17u minus v by u minus 17v. This is the answer. Okay, look at the next question. Sin x cos y equal to 1 by 2. Then we have to find d square y by dx square. Okay, the second order differentiation of y, our target at pi by 4 and pi by 4. First we have to find dy by dx value. What is given condition? Sin x into cos y equal to 1 by 2. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So difference by using uv formula. For differentiation of uv, it will going to be sin x into u into differentiation of v, differentiation of cos y minus sin y into differentiation of y, we get y1 plus cos y into differentiation of sin x, it will going to be cos x equal to constant differentiation 0. Okay, this minus value bring the right side. So cos x cos y, it will going to be sin x sin y into y1. Okay, therefore y1 is equal to, y1 is nothing but dy by dx. The sin x sin y bring the left side, cos x cos y upon sin x sin y, it will going to be y1. Therefore y1 is equal to cot x into cos by sin, we get cot x, cos by sin, this is cot y. Now again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. Differentiation of y1, we get y2, okay, by using UV formula. Again, cot x into differentiation of cot y plus cot y into differentiation of cot x, okay. So y1 value cot x into cot y. So y1 is equal to cot x into cot y. At pi by 4 and pi by 4, first we have to find y1 value. Okay, it will going to be cot 45, cot 45. It will going to be 1. So y1 value 1 at pi by 4 and pi by 4. But our target is y2. D square y by dx square at pi by 4 and pi by 4. Okay, this continuation. So y2 is equal to cot x into differentiation of cot y. We have minus cosecant square y minus cosecant square y into differentiation of y with respect to x into y1 dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is nothing but y1 plus cot y into differentiation of cot x, it will going to be minus cosecant square x. At our target is at pi by 4, we have to find y2 value. Okay, on xy place in pi by 4 substitute. This is minus cot pi by 4 cosecant square pi by 4. So y1 value we got 1 y1 value minus cot pi by 4 cosecant square pi by 4. So cot 45 value 1, cosecant 45 value root 2. So root 2 whole square is 2. This is minus 2. So cot 45 value 1 minus, this is cosecant square 45 value 2 minus 2. So answer is minus 4. Let us go to the next problem. So f of x power z of y equal to e to the power f of x minus z of y. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. This type of problems by using logarithm functions. So taking logarithms on both sides. Now it will going to be log of f of x power z of y equal to log of e to the power f of x minus z of y. Okay. We have one formula, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m. We should apply that formula. So this is going to be g of y into log of f of x. Okay. It will going to be f of x minus z of y into f of x minus z of y into log e. Log e base e this is. Log e base e value 1. Okay, it will going to be g of y log f of x. Okay, minus z of y bring the left side plus z of y is equal to f of x. So log e base e value 1. Okay, it will going to be 1 z of y taking common. This value will be log f of x plus 1 equal to f of x. Okay, our target is dy by dx. So 1 plus log f of x bring the right side. It will going to be g of y is equal to f of x by 1 plus log f of x. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Okay, we have got g of y value. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of g of y, we get g dash y into dy by dx. Okay, by using u by v formula. Okay, g dash y into dy by dx. It will going to be, what is the u by v formula? V into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v by v square. Where v place in 1 plus log f of x into differentiation of f of x. right? D by dx of f of x minus f of x into d by dx of v. V for 1 plus log f of x. This whole divided by 1 plus log f of x whole square. Okay. Therefore, dy by dx equal to this g dash of y, bring the right side on divide. So 1 plus log f of x. Differentiation of f of x. We have f dash x minus f of x into differentiation of 1 0. Differentiation of log f of x is 1 by f of x into differentiation of f of x is f dash x. 1 by f of x into differentiation of f of x, we have f dash x by using chain rule. This whole divided by g dash y into 1 plus log f of x whole square. In this one, f of x get cancelled. This f dash x multiply with 1 plus log f of x. F dash x into 1 f dash x plus f dash x into log f of x minus f dash x. Okay, this whole divided by g dash y into 1 plus log f of x whole square. In this one, f dash x get cancelled. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. So y is equal to tan inverse of root over 2ax minus x square by a minus x. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. So let us take x is equal to, by using substitution method, let us x is equal to 2a sin square theta. 2a sin square theta. Therefore sin square theta equal to x by 2a. Therefore sin theta equal to root over x by 2a. Therefore theta is equal to sin inverse of root over x by 2a. Okay. Now it will going to be y is equal to tan inverse of root under 2a into, where expression we should write 2a sin square theta minus x square. This square 4a square sin to the power 4 theta upon a minus x. A minus x will write 2a sin square theta. Okay, y is equal to tan inverse of root under, in this 4a square sin square theta take out common. 4a square sin square theta, 4a square sin square theta. So 4a square sin square theta take out common. So remaining value 1 minus sin square theta. This whole divided by, in denominator 1a take out common, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, it will going to be tan inverse of root 4a square sin square theta. So root 4a square sin square theta is nothing but 2a sin theta. Root 4, it will be 2. Root a square, a. Root sin square theta, sin theta. Root under 1 minus sin square theta, it will going to be cos theta. A into, we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta formula. Cos 2 theta. Okay. It will going to be cos 2 theta. In this a get cancelled. Tan inverse of 2 sin theta cos theta. We have formula sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. So sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta. It will going to be tan inverse of, this is tan 2 theta. So tan inverse of tan 2 theta. Okay, it will going to be 2 theta. Where theta value, we have got a sin inverse of root x by 2a. Okay. So y is equal 2 times of theta value. We have got sin inverse of root under x by 2a. Root x by root 2a. Now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. 2 constant. Differentiation of sin inverse x. We have differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by root 1 minus x square. We are expressing root x by root 2a substitute. 1 by root under 1 minus root x by root 2a whole square into d by dx of root x by root 2a. Okay. In this two constant, 1 by root under 1 minus, so root x by root 2a whole square, this is nothing but x by 2a. It will going to be 1 by root 2a constant. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of root x, we have 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1, 2 get cancelled. So what is the LCM? 2a minus x, 1 by root under 2a minus x by root 2a into 1 by root 2a into 1 by root x. So root 2a get cancelled. So root x into root 2a minus x, it will going to be 1 by root under this x multiply with the 2a minus x. So 2ax minus x square. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.